Hey everyone, let's not look at my face. I just woke up, but today I'm gonna be making a fenugreek mask for my hair because I told you we were focusing on hair growth and for these beautiful long locks that Zoe has. Her hair is like all the way down here, so we're gonna make sure it keeps growing. As you already know, I love fenugreek. I have it in my hair mask slash deep conditioning cream that I made. So I will just be eyeballing this. Probably enough only for Zoe's hair, so I'm gonna just dump this whole thing in there. My oil of choice is my infused neem oil that I made about 3 months ago almost, and it's made with coconut oil and neem leaves. Actually, I will not be using the whole thing. I'm gonna probably take like this much out because I forgot that when you add water to fenugreek, it's gonna expand. I'm gonna be adding it little by little. So this is how I want my mask to be.
In the dash in the flash lane. She focus hard cause she like the way I'm rapping. Dodge her, ain't no get to step in. Play with the gang, get hit Smith and Wesson. Yo, hop in Mariah, let's go. Let's drive around, we're slow. I'ma take you where you wanna go. And you know how it goes. I'ma put you in diamonds and pearls. Yeah, you know you my girl. Honestly, I will give you the world. Like, yeah. Me and Shawty, you know we the best. In the hill, oh my God, we're so blessed. Young niggas, we going outside.
It looks a mess, but wait till the strength comes in and it's a length, baby. It's a look, huh?
250 in the dash in the flash lane. She focus hard cause she like the way I'm rapping. Dodge her, ain't no get to step in. Play with the gang, get hit Smith and Wesson. Yo, hop in Mariah, let's go. Let's drive around, we're slow. I'ma take you where you wanna go. And you know how it goes. I'ma put you in diamonds and pearls. Yeah, you know you my girl. Honestly, I will give you the world.
Baby, it's the girls for me. Definition for me. It looks hella defined. This piece right here is always doing its own little thing. But look at the definition, and I have not even washed my hair yet. This is just trying to rinse it out of my hair. You see some pieces still there. But yeah, loves it. I'm gonna need all of y'all to get into this. I just shampooed my hair. I did not condition yet because I ran out of conditioner for my sister, so I had to run out and get more. But wow, it's a definition for me. Look at that. I know you see it.
How would you get it to cut out of the nose lines?
My baby girl got waistline hair. Oh my god.
Dodge her, ain't no get to step in. Play with the gang, get hit Smith and Wesson. Yo, hop in Mariah, let's go. Let's drive around, we're slow. I'ma take you where you wanna go. And you know how it goes. I'ma put you in diamonds and pearls. Yeah, you know you my girl. Honestly, I will give you the world. Like, yeah, me and Shawty, you know we the best. In the hill, oh my God, we're so blessed. Young niggas, we going outside.